Hello, my name is Jackie Burch, and this is Northeast Texas Community College's Thanatochemistry MRTS 1225 class with Mr. Brandon T. Glade. This is my funeral service Thanatochemistry project, PowerPoint essay, and oral presentation. I chose Decomposition, a chemical change for my project, and this project is due November 4th of 2019. Decomposition is a chemical change. A chemical change is something that happens due to a chemical response. As the chemical response occurs, atoms from the matter are repositioned to combine separately. Decomposition is basically known as the detachment of compounds into a more simple material by microbes and autolysis. Decomposition of dead human remains is a natural action due to the disintegration of organic body tissues after the body expires. During human decomposition, the body goes through 4 main stages. Approximately 4 minutes after the body expires, decomposition will begin. These 4 stages include autolysis, bloating, active decay, and skeletonization. The first stage of decomposition is autolysis, which basically means self-breakdown. During autolysis, bodily enzymes use bacteria and lysosomes from the stomach and intestines to relocate and reproduce by use of the dead human body to feed them. Oxygen-loving bacteria will enter into the throat and lungs of the deceased body. This allows the aerobic bacteria to use up all of the oxygen left in the body's tissue, which makes that area chemically perfect for the anaerobic bacteria to feed on. Next, the cells of the body will start to die by releasing a digestive enzyme and doing away with the leftovers from the cells after they destruct. Autolysis would not be possible without amino acids, sugars, fatty acids, and glycerol. These materials make up a great amount of food and energy for bacteria. During this stage, muscles stiffen and rigor mortis begins. The body may look glossy due to blisters from skin slip as well. Once the cadaver is reached the second stage of decomposition, enzymes from the autolysis process start to produce a large amount of gas and the body will bloat. During this stage, microbes let off sulfur gases that cause the skin to turn different colors. The deceased corpse could possibly double in size due to these gases, as well as create a terrible smell known as putrefaction. The third stage of decomposition is active decay. This is when most of the muscle depletion occurs. In active decay, liquids may seep out of the eyes, nose, mouth, and other bodily orifices. Organs also turn to liquid, however bones and hair remain. We usually see maggots and larvae at this stage. After this, an advanced process of decaying will start. We often know advanced decay because there will be less bugs on the cadaver. This is due to the small amount of body material left to feed on. Skeletonization is the last stage of decomposition. At this point, the skin, organs, ligaments, tendons, tissue, and muscles have decomposed. All that will be left in this stage is the body skeleton. Each person's skeleton will decompose at a different rate since each body's organic and inorganic materials are slightly different. There is no specific amount of time in which skeletonization occurs. However, the wind, moisture, and other factors assist in the length of how long each stage will last. As embalmers, it is very important for us to understand decomposition. We must learn about the chemical changes and signs of decay. Embalmers must know how to handle issues that decomposition causes, such as discolorization, odor, skin slip, purge, and bloating. This is important so we can properly learn how to assess and care for the deceased human body, and in turn create the best possible experience for the families we serve.